actually. A little messy, but we'll fix it. Okay, so I had some just like big twists under a wig, but now it's time to wash my hair. I've been very consistent with washing my hair every week practically since January, and I definitely feel the difference. Dryness has been gone, like brittleness has been gone. So I feel like, oh, okay, just wash your hair consistently and you won't have issues, right? And so I'm gonna wash my hair now. We're gonna install some crochet, and I'm gonna get creative with this crochet, so we'll see. Okay, we're nice and clean. We're getting there. This is just like a length check. So what we at here, not bad. About under the nose, right? Here, right there. Okay, that's where we're at. So let me braid her up and then we'll get into this crochet, y'all. Okay, so braids are done. Okay, so here's what we're working with. I have my wig cap. This is the one with the holes in it. And Freetress. So I wanted some red. So this is a 99J. And this is their Deep Twist Bulk. Okay. I got 2 packs of this because I also have this French Diva Curl. This is like 30 inches. I'm not keeping this hair this long. I don't believe I will. And this is like a 4-pack. So I may end up cutting it. We'll see. We'll see. I want to start in the middle, and then because I know it'll be fullest in the middle, and then move my way around. Okay. I'm going to keep the cap on, and then we're going to start crocheting. I have my crochet tool, so I'll be listening to a book while I do my hair. I'll put the book on the screen if you're ever interested. Yeah. Okay, so we have, I'm clipping it and I'm adding some hair. This is where we're at now. Not even an hour yet. Some of the loops I've done like twice around, and some just like once around because I don't want the scalp to look so free. But I'm starting in the middle. I've cut some of the hair in half and I've left some of the hair long because I want it to be layered and full, if that makes sense. Right, so this is where we're at now. Okay, so we're getting there. I had to move locations, but we're getting there. All right, so the back, I'm starting to add some pieces here, so kind of feeling my way through. Okay, we're getting somewhere, so this is where we're at now. This is where we're at as far as the back. As we get to the perimeter, I will cord a little bit more, but I just need to come back here and fill some more pieces in, I believe. Okay, so we're at the front now. This is the red. I'm going to do all of this red. So it's like red and brown, but then the front I want really to be red. Well, 99J. And I find if I do it like that, this is kind of how it looks. And I don't feel like, let's see, I'm tugging on one side. It's okay. We're getting there, so we just don't fill her up. I'm loving how the red kind of goes into the brown. I'm loving it. When I get to this band, because this is where I kind of want to make it look like a real hairline, I'll let y'all know. Okay, so we're getting, so I've been like adding it to the band, going in there and adding, pulling it through. Just so far, we're doing okay. So last bit here, just fill it in, and I'm going to just add around the band as I've been doing. Just kind of come in here and there we go. So she is nice and full. This is how we're looking. Okay, so I'm cutting downward here. And don't start short, because if I get tired of the long hair, I can just go shorter gradually. But if I just cut it off, it's like it's not fun. I want to feel like I'm getting the best out of the style. Yeah, I like the burgundy with the brown. I just like it. I know it looks a little messy, but we'll fix it. Right? I want it to be shaggy, y'all. I want it to look like it's kind of coming out of my head. What do we think? I like it. Just pulling, brushing. What do y'all think? I like it. I like it. I like it. It gives it more texture. It looks like it's coming right out of my head, y'all. Look, I'm giving you a close-up. Look at it. And yeah, I like it. We put a little, you know, y'all be wanting makeups before and afters, and we're not there yet in my makeup journey, doing a full beat, but I'll do something. Hold on. And there we go. Y'all know. There we go. I have less light on me, so we can just really look at the front of the hair. Is it giving scalp? I think I did a good job for the first time doing this like wig. And I love the curls. I love the fullness of it. I love the bounciness of it. So let me know if you would try this. I think this is a great hairstyle for the summer. And it's giving like fun and flirty and cute. And it's very, very light. It's so light. And the best part about it, I'm going to say it again, is I could take this bad boy off. Because the second I walk into the house, hair off. I could just take it off. And I love that. This is great. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.